Question 1. Understand this means residence. Skibidi dope dop. Yes, yes. Question 2. What's this meme about? Siren head.
Can you guess the word by this letter?
Joker. Joker. Question 4. Interpret this viral image. Cristiano Ronaldo. Question 5. What's the joke's relevance? Crazy frog.
Can you guess the meme by this emoji?
Amazing digital search. Question 7. Guess this internet sensation. The amazing digital circus. Question 8. What's this meme about?
So, let's go. So, you got it. So, let's ride.
Banana cat.
So, so let's go. So, you got it. So, let's ride.
What is the name of this meme? Helicopter, helicopter. Question 10. Can you decipher this meme?
Let's reveal a masterpiece of art. Human centipede.
Red flag.
Let's reveal a masterpiece of art. Human centipede.
Question 11. Guess this viral image.
Hey, stamp your feet. Hey, hey, clap your hands. Hey, hey, stamp your feet. Hey.
Diana. Like it?
Hey, stamp your feet. Hey, hey, clap your hands. Hey, hey, stamp your feet. Hey.
Can you find the odd one out? The odd one is here.
Question 13. What's the meaning?
Uh-oh, send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round.
Chop chop slide.
Uh-oh, send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round.
Question 14. Can you decode this joke? Gorilla dance.
Which meme is better?
Forget Pogo meme.
Or
Sailor Moon
or
forget Pogo. Question 16. Can you predict this meme's longevity? Kitty cat cat. Question 20. What's the meme's message?
It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario.
It's me, Mario.
It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario.
can you guess the meme? That is
Grimace, shake. Question 17. Decode this meme's humor.
Daria, novinha, então tapa, 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 tapa.
Grimace, shake, love, Wednesday.
Daria, novinha, então tapa, 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 tapa.
Question 19. Guess this viral image. Pogo Bloom meme.